Alright, here's part 3. Alright, tornado number 2. Let's see if we're okay. It's going 60 miles an hour again. Alright, Joe, we have to get to the bunker.
Okay. To the bunker.
No, yeah, this thing. Oh, sorry. Oh, what's that? Ugh, this place is ugly. That's it? There's no secret compartment in here, Joe. Let's get out of here. Right. Yeah, the gas station's better than this. Oh, the radio's playing again. Alright, let me put the car.
Wait, I don't see the tornado anywhere.
Well, it's a warning.
Let
me see. Yeah, the bed's still okay. Yeah, it still says emergency stuff. Man, I wanted to watch SpongeBob until that thing came up on the TV. I wanted to watch SpongeBob.
Me too, I want to watch SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, get to work.
I'm not paying you to stand around and do the hokey pokey. Now get back to work.
Well, you're not paying me at all, Mr. Krabs. Here's your Krabby Patty, Mr. Krabs.
You call that a Krabby Patty?
Well, it's not a Krabby Patty.
That's a skull!
Well, it's not a Krabby Patty. Joe.
Jimmy.
Joe.
What?
It's not a Krabby. Joe, I can't talk if you're holding the thing in. It's not a Krabby Patty. It's the person who last ate a Krabby Patty.
Poor person.
Yeah.
Did you find any money?
Oh, 1 second. Let me see if I did. Checking this cash red. Ooh, where'd it go? It's not coming up. No, I didn't find it. Wait. Yeah, I found some money.
Get back to work, Mr. SpongeBob. Money!
There's some money. Here's a big crate of money, Mr. Krabs. Look, I found this in his pocket. Wait, what was that, Mr. Krabs? Joe, talk through your mic.
This is very heavy. I see the tornado.
Oh. Hopefully the tornado.
It's coming right for us.
Hopefully the tornado doesn't take the money, Mr. Krabs.
My money.
Oh crap! It's coming right towards us. I'm getting in the gas station. My frame rate is dropping. Get me in! Get me in! Joe, it's coming right for us. All right. Hold on to your shirts. Oh, very low frame rate. Oh man. Alright, I'm getting a sky view since I got such a low frame rate. My gosh, it's got a whole bunch of stuff. Oh man. It missed us, Mr. Krabs. Alright, whew. Alright, my frame rate's going back up. Alright, good. My frame rate was so low. Mr. Krabs? I can't hear what you're saying. Talk through your mic.
I don't want this money.
Mr. Krabs, that's...
Get it out of here now.
Okay.
I have too much money.
Can I have it, Mr. Krabs?
Sure.
Okay.
I keep two.
I'm gonna...
I keep two.
Andrew, stop doing that.
You get two and I get two.
Whoa! To the tornado. Andrew, stop doing that. Oh crap. I went out of the map. Ooh! Low frame rate! Alright, my FOV is back to normal. Whoa, look at the destruction. Oh! It almost hit the farmhouse thing. Man. The destruction. Oh, it did hit it a bit. Yeah. Oh man, it went through the house. Man, it's crazy. How are you, Joe? Oh man, there's another house. Oh man, the roof of that house. But we're fine at our gas station. Alright, isn't that right, Mr. Krabs? What was that, Mr. Krabs?
I'm busy, boy.
Mr. Krabs, you're such a jerk. I quit.
SpongeBob!
Yeah, Mr. Krabs.
I told you to keep 2 packs of money.
I don't want it.
Get back to work, Mr. SpongeBob.
1 second, Mr. Krabs. I'm doing a science experiment. I'm doing a science experiment, Mr. Krabs. You shouldn't have did that. There you go, Mr. Krabs. Fine decor. Well, I quit, Mr. Krabs, that's why. There we go, Mr. Krabs. Oh! Mr. Krabs, I got killed. It came in like a wrecking ball here. Andrew, stop talking. Okay, I'm coming back.